To log food, you want to use the plus at the bottom of the screen. When you click on it, click on food. Then I will select breakfast for the beginning of the day. Boom. I'm going to look for eggs to start because I'm going to have scrambled eggs. So it says serving size, 1 large egg, if that's the size you're using. Number of servings, let's say you're using 4 eggs. I changed that to 4. And then I hit the check in the top right. Boom, and then that logs the food. Then I go to add food again. Let's say I'm going to have some Dave's Killer Bread. Oop, there it was. And we can go 2 slices. Let's say we toast it. So again, it says serving size 1 slice, number of servings, we have 2 selected. Click the check in the top right. Boom, it added it to the breakfast. Then on top of that Dave's Killer Bread, which is going to be toast in this situation, I'm going to add a little almond butter. So I can add almond butter this way. Boom. Let's say it was blue menu almond butter. I'm going to go 2 tablespoons, which is actually already selected. So serving size is 1 tablespoon, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons. Then I will check that. You can see too, there's 6 grams of protein there, so that's all contributing towards the protein goal. So we add that. Beautiful. And that is how you add food to the diary.